Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you a method today that can help you to make money online. Very easy to do. All you're going to be doing is testing a few things like apps and websites, and you don't really need any experience to do this. It's absolutely easy to do. Even a 10-year-old can do this. Don't worry about it being complicated. It's so easy. Just watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to explain to you how it works, what you need to do, the website, and what strategy you need to take so that you can actually make a lot of money for yourself. This opportunity is great because it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and it's available worldwide. So if you're in Africa, Australia, America, South America, Europe, Asia, wherever you are going to get access to this opportunity, and you can make money right from your home. Whilst you're at home lying down in your bed, you can actually do this. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. So before I show you this awesome method, please subscribe to the AD Money channel. It's absolutely free to subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Click that bell so that anytime I have a new video, you are going to get a notification on your phone or on your computer. So the website I want to show you today is betatesting.com. When you're over here, you're going to see how it works. As you can see, join 200,000 plus early adopters across all demographic and interest groups. So basically there are a lot of people that have joined this website because it's a place where you can actually test new apps. As you can see, test new apps, websites, and hardware. You complete some tasks, give some feedback, and then you earn $10 to $20 for most tests. But from what I've seen, you can get like $20, $30, $40, depending on the website they take you to, depending on the application. Now, this is a big platform because it's in cooperation with like Xerox, Typeform, the New York Times, Musical.ly, Clef, Droop, Emberlight. So it's a big deal. So for example, what they're going to be telling you to do is absolutely easy. For example, on the Play Store over here, you're going to see some new games and new applications that they have available. All they want you to do, they want you to, for example, they would like you to download Clash Royale onto your phone. Then when you download it onto your phone, they're going to give you a couple of instructions that they would like you to do. So when you click on the application, they want you to take a screenshot of you opening the game. Then there's a certain level in the game that they want you to get to for like, I think like level 1 or level 2, which is basically nothing much. They want you to do that, and then they want you to take a screenshot of that. So, and then they want you to provide a brief feedback on how you think the game is. If you enjoyed the game, if you don't like the game, what you think the game what do you think could make the game better, basically. So basically that is what they want you to do, and they're going to pay you for that. So there are different applications and games. It's mainly for new games and applications. It's not for like old games and applications. So for example, SimCity, this is really new. They would like you to download it on your phone. Once it's on your phone, just take a screenshot that the game has been downloaded. Then open the game, take a screenshot of that. Then start the game and, play around with the game and show that you're actually using the game and it's not just downloaded, and take a screenshot, and then just give a brief feedback. You just want to type in a brief text on how you think the game is, what do you like about it, what don't you like about it. So that is based on the testing new apps department. So now the website, for example, let me show you. For example, there's going to be something like this. Step 1, please visit the eBay website at www.ebay.com. 2, please take a screenshot of the eBay website homepage. 3, please locate daily deals on eBay and take a screenshot. 4, please find Citizen Eco Drive Men's Perpetual 80 World Time Black Dial Watch CB0166 blah 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 and take a screenshot. Number 5, please look for eBay customer service portal and take a screenshot. So basically you would do this. Please visit eBay website at this. So you want to copy, you would like to copy that, then let's open a new tab and then let's paste that. So now we're on eBay. That is instruction 1 that is done, as we can see. Then we want to go on to step 2. Please take a screenshot of the eBay website homepage. Okay, so since this is the eBay website homepage, so if you don't know how to take a screenshot, there's something called the snipping tool. Snipping tool, just go onto your computer and search for snipping tool. Then we're going to click on new. So hold on, snipping tool, new. Then you want to copy that. As we can see over here, we have taken a screenshot. Then we're going to go to file, then we're going to save. So we're going to save that. So now that's saved. We're going to go on to step 2. Step 3, I mean, please locate daily deals on eBay and take a screenshot. So daily deals, where are we going to find it? Okay, there we go. Daily deals is right here. So they say go to daily deals on eBay and take a screenshot. So we've clicked on daily deals. So we are now on daily deals. So what we want to do is take a screenshot again, which is we're going to use the snipping tool and new. Then we're going to take a screenshot. Bam. That's it. File, save as. Save as. Okay. That's saved. Now we want to go on to here. Please find Citizen Eco Drive Mains Perpetual 80 Wheel Time Black Dial Watch. So this must definitely be a product. So we want to copy that. So you want to copy, then you want to go back onto eBay, then you're going to go into search, then you want to paste it, and then you want to search. Let's see what product it gives us. Okay, this is it right here. Citizen Eco Drive Mains Perpetual 80 Wheel Time. Blah blah blah. So what did they mention? They said we should find it and take a screenshot. So we have found it and we want to take a screenshot. That's it. Wait, do they want us to click on it? Okay, let's click on it. And yeah, I think this is what they want. They want us to take a screenshot of this. So make sure it's like this. You actually click on the product and the price and everything is well clear and everything is here, the description and everything. So then you want to take a screenshot of that. So new, and do that. There we go. Screenshot. Bam. File, save as. All right. Is that it? Okay, one last thing. Please look for eBay customer service portal and take a screenshot. So we're back on eBay customer portal. Where would that be? It would be, let's see, my eBay. What did they say? They said please look for eBay customer service portal and take a screenshot. Customer portal. Scroll down. No. Please look for eBay customer service portal and take a screenshot. Okay, that's it. Customer service. I saw it. Okay, it's loading. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Okay, so I found that this is the customer service portal. So they just want me to take a screenshot of that. So we're gonna new, then we're gonna take a screenshot. Bam. File, save. And that's it. That's how easy a job is to do on this website. And you're gonna get $10 to $20 for most tests. That is the minimum. You usually might get like 25, 30, 40 depending on the website, and the jobs are they are very easy. Just the way I've shown you, that's how easy they are. Is basically when you provide the screenshots, you'll send it to them to prove that you've actually done everything, and it's as easy as that. And you can get your money within 24 hours. You get your payment via PayPal. Yeah, so if you don't have a PayPal account, just create a PayPal account. It's absolutely easy to do. All you want to do is go onto PayPal, which is paypal.com. If you don't have an account already, just go onto paypal.com and create an account. Hold on, let me show you. If you don't have a PayPal account, let me just quickly show you how it works. So let's wait for that to load quickly. Please like the video so long. Thank you so much. Okay, this is basically paypal.com. What you want to do, sign up. You want to click on sign up. You should have a PayPal account if you don't, but if you don't, sign up, click on for a personal account, go on to next. Then put in your email address, your phone number, depending on where you're from, first name, last name, create a password, confirm your password. So basically, it's as easy as that, just to get an account so that you can actually get money. So as you can see, where if you're in Africa, all these countries are available, Americas, all these countries are available, Asia, all these countries, Europe. So just create an account so that you can actually get your money. It's as easy as that. If you have that, that kind of time, 10 minutes per day, you can do so many different kind of tasks. If you want to download games on the Play Store and test them and take screenshots and make $10 or $20, you can make like $200 a day if you do many tests. It's up to you. It's so easy to do, and it's easy money, which you can do from home. Just instead of going to an office and working hard, you can just be at home and just do this and get $200 a day, $250 a day just for doing simple tests. And they pay on time. It's actually very relevant because they actually need your feedback, because they want to know how you feel about everything, and they want to actually bring more customers towards certain websites. So that is why they're going to be paying you. And this money, $10, $20, it's nothing to them, so don't worry, they can pay you this kind of money for as many tests as you can take. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps you. Make the most out of it. Please comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply, and please like the video, subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. Turn on the post notification bell so that you don't miss a new video. You will get a notification when I upload my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.